you want to do, you want to create one module so that your users will create ticket from that, right?
Yes.
Let me create module. I can create module under by using system definition, right?
Yes.
Click on new button. And what should be my name? I mean title. Create
Yeah,
ticket.
yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Book ticket.
Huh?
Book ticket.
Okay. So what is the application menu for you?
My app.
It's a ticket management, right? We have created.
Mm,
We created ticket
yes,
management,
yes,
right?
yes. Yes, yes.
You want to give any hover text? Book a ticket, kind
Mm,
of. Book a ticket.
Happy journey.
Great. Teacher. Okay. So you want, so you understood the significance of role here, then active and all, right?
Yes.
Do you know this override application menu role concept?
Yes, to who can override this application.
I mean, let's say there is a case like the person has some access, okay, person has role, but that person don't have access to application, but that person has access to module.
Okay.
Okay, so in that case, that application will not be visible, right? As that
Yes.
application is not visible, that module will not be visible, but still that person holds the access to that module. In that case, in order to avoid this kind of confusion, like I don't have, I mean, it's a usual thing, right? I mean, it's a straightforward thing. Like whenever you don't have access, you should not see anything from the that application, right?
Yes.
Similar thing is there, like there might be case like user don't have any access to application, but that user may hold access to different modules
Override.
of that particular
Okay.
application.
Yes.
In order to give, I mean, in order to sort this particular situation, we
Mm-hmm.
have an option called override application menu rules. If you
Okay.
check that, then user will have access in spite of I mean user will have access to module in spite whether they have access to application or not. Okay,
Okay.
so thereafter what type of your module should be. So it might be
Mm-hmm.
list of records, it might be a new record. Okay, so it might be anything,
Okay.
like you could see your list of, right? So let's uh, make it a new record.
Mm-hmm.
So what is your it's
Table
a ticket.
ticket.
So yeah, if you want to filter some, I mean, if you want to add some filter like, I mean, for new record there won't be any filter condition, right? But in case of you want to show some records like open tickets, just created tickets, I mean, closed tickets, kind of, I mean, in that case you require to add some filters, right? Like state is closed, state is new, kind of. So
Yes. Yes.
you can add those kind of filters here, but in case of new record you don't require those filters, right? So you can straight away
So,
go ahead.
or we can create like sale in this case.
Okay.
In this case,
Sale.
can we create like a sale?
Mm-hmm. Sale what?
Mm, I tell you. Like it will show you only the sale tickets, like tickets under sale,
Yeah. Tickets under sale and all. So yeah,
like
that's
that.
right. Yeah, we can. It again our ideas, right? Different idea. We
Yeah.
can add this kind of models under that. So
Okay.
as a basic level, let's create a module called book a ticket. So we have
Mm-hmm.
a selected link type as a new record from the
Okay.
tickets. Right? It should show up some form there, right? Once I click on that, let me submit that. I
Mm-hmm.
just submitted that one. So it will refresh my left navigation as we have one added. I mean, we have added that ticket management in our left navigation now, right?
Yes.
And what is the criteria to application in left navigation?
To
That
access,
application, no. To see that application in left navigation, what is the criteria?
we can type the application name.
Yeah, we can type, but let's say your application does not contain anything. Then will that particular application will be visible or what?
Uh, Go to my applications.
No. I'm asking you
Mhm.
if you have created one application, right?
Okay. Yes.
But your application does not contain any module.
Mm-hmm.
Then will that application will be visible in left navigation?
I think yes.
No, man. Because
No.
see, you have one concept called folder in
Yes.
your on your system. You can create one folder, but if
Yeah.
that folder does not contain anything, then it doesn't mean it doesn't sense anything, right? I just
But we
created.
can see the folder.
Yeah, we can see that folder, but it doesn't making any sense because it does not contain anything, right? So our
We
and
created it for the future purpose.
but let's say you have a number of folders. Okay, so it will make some confusion in your mind, right? So
Yes.
right, you if you don't know anything, you will open each and every folder and will oh my god, it does not contain anything. Then you will open another, then you will open another. To avoid this kind of confusion,
Mm-hmm.
if your application does not contain anything, then that
Okay.
application will not show up in left navigation.
Okay.
Okay, to show up that your application in left navigation, then you should have at least one module in
Mm-hmm.
under that application. Then and then only that application will show up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we just added book a ticket. You could see ticket management is there. Under that
Mm-hmm.
book a ticket is there. And as you mentioned, we should have that happy journey, right? So I just hovered
Yes.
there, so happy journey is coming there. So I just hovered that on ticket management, and then it is showing like welcome to ticket management. I'm going to click here, book a ticket. Now it is
Mm-hmm.
showing me a form, right? So I am going to add your name now, Shiva. So oops. This and the logo, and I want to go to Firefox.
Mm-hmm.
Then my date of journey is of 18th, and I am Australian. And what's your number?
047890
047980
1504.
1504.
Yes.
So it is storing
SHIVA.
whatever SHUS 9 at Gmail. Now I just submitted this record, right? Now
Yes.
it will show up in. Now it is showing me a list of tickets. Now what you want to do, you want to create one module which will show up the list of tickets that you have that is available, that is I mean which are submitted by the user. So we should create one module for that, right?
Yes.
To show those tickets. So let's create one more module.
To whom the
So,
module will show the tickets for us?
sorry?
To whom the module will show the tickets, like these many tickets are booked, it will show to the administrator?
Yeah, it will depend on your configuration, right, and your requirement, like to whom you want to show those tickets and on
Oh,
want to show those
okay.
tickets. Like, these are the ticket that's submitted or this to user who don't hold any access. But usually what happens whenever you're booking any ticket, right? Let's say you want to go from New York to Sydney, okay? In that case, what you will do, you will see one frontier, and from there you will submit those records, right? But you will but your account, you will show those information of tickets, right? But you cannot update them. You will see read only form, right?
Yes.
Similar case you can implement here. For end user, you cannot give any read access, write access, but you can show them those tickets. Those are the tickets available in the system. But again, you can do, like, if you want to hide them from the end user, then you can do that. Like, you cannot give them a read access. If you if you implement that read access, then that read access won't be there for end user. Okay.
Yes.
So let's create one module which will show up the list of tickets available in your table. So where you want to go, under system definition module, then you want to create new module, and you want to give what booked ticket, right? Booked ticket.
Yes.
Tickets. So what is your? It's a ticket management, right?
Yes.
Then tickets. Then the link type will be list of records, right? And tickets. We don't have any condition. I just submitted. So under ticket management, you could see booked tickets. If I hit on this, then it will show up the list of tickets available in my system. So we implemented two modules. We implemented one related, two modules, one application. We created one table. We designed form. We seen how to create fields and all, right?
Yes.
So do you have any doubt in that?
No, all clear.
All good?
Yes.
So today we are going to stop here. I'm going to give you one assignment, like create one application called movies.
Okay, to book the movie tickets?
Oh, no. It will be like, let's say you want to advertise them, right? So what are you going to do? There will be, let's say there is one movie is coming, okay? So you'll be creating one record of that movie. So so add whatever the fields that you want to add, just add them. Okay, so let's say there is one movie came, let's XYZ. So what do you want to do? You just want to create one record in your system, like XYZ is coming on this day, and this is the release day, and okay, and this was the budget and all. So those information will be there in that movie form. Okay, under that.
Okay, so promoting a movie.
Yeah, movie. Application name will be movie, and there will be one form to create that records, and other module will show up the whatever the records you have in your table.